Hello guys and welcome to another UK weather report. Today we're going to be going over the potential chance of some thunderstorms and some high gusts of wind. So we are starting off with tomorrow. There is a high risk of potentially some thunderstorms arriving tomorrow around late into the evening. This is due to lots of rain coming up from France, with people saying there is a risk that these could turn thundery with some hail. And this weather model is indeed predicting that these storms become thundery and look to be pretty heavy, with quite a bit of hail as well. Now we're moving to Wednesday, and an area of low pressure is going to be bringing high gusts of wind and lots of rain. These gusts of wind are expected to be pretty high, ranging between 40 to 50 miles per hour. However, there is possibility of them being higher, around 60 miles per hour, in northern places like Norwich. The highest gusts expected in the southeast are expected to be around 45 to 50 miles per hour gusts. So, thunderstorms are expected for tomorrow, and the day after we have a low pressure moving up with high gusts of wind and lots of rain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon with more updates. Bye for now.